occasion, our moving up ceremony. Parang kailan lang at last you're now ready to take a next step in the next journey of learning. Before anything else, I would like to say thank you to my kindergarten teacher, Ma'am Grace, for her patience and help in teaching us to learn and grow. Her guidance and encouragement shape our minds and heart, preparing us to be independent and brave, facing the challenges to the next grade level. Thank you also to my dear classmates for playing with me, making unforgettable memories together that made my kindergarten meaningful. School really is fun because I shared it with you. Finally, our biggest thanks to our beloved parents for their unconditional love and helping us to get ready to school, and to their sacrifices just to give our needs. To my Tatay Sep, Nanay Ga, Kuya Tan, Kuya Josh, thank you for guiding me to be a better person. I am what I am today because of your love and support. Before anything, above all, thank you to our Almighty God for His protection and wisdom for me to reach this stage of life. Lastly, thank you everyone who made this day special. On behalf of kindergarten completers for school year 2024-2025, I would like to say thank you for coming today. Once again, God bless and mabuhay.
Thank you, Nikolai. May you live as responsible young